going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's video I'm gonna quickly show you how to hide any app here on your iPhone device. And the coolest part is that this works on any iPhone model. In my case, I've got in here an iPhone 16 Pro, but if you've got a different iPhone device, do not worry because the steps are exactly the same in order to hide, and you can access that specific application by unlocking with your Face ID and hiding it properly so no one knows which application you have installed on your iPhone. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues, and I also share cool tech hacks. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. So first things first, here we go. This is a very quick tutorial. Let's quickly select a specific application that we wish to hide. Okay, so for example, let's say that I want to hide my Airbnb application in here real quick. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press and hold, and if you see, we've got a few options in here. Let's say that I tap here for instance on remove app and say remove from the home screen. What happens is it won't be showing here anymore on my home screen. If you search for it, you won't be able to find it. But if you go all the way to the library here and you tap on search library, you'll be able to see that specific app. Okay, so this is basically the basic step of hiding. Okay, so this is not the very 100% proper way of doing it. You can simply drag and drop it back here to your home screen. It's going to be back here to your main home screen. So this is the basic way. Many people think that this is the proper way of hiding it, but it's not. The proper way is by pressing and holding that specific app and then tapping here on require Face ID. Next up, you want to select hide and require Face ID, which is the second option in here. As you can see, this app will require Face ID or your passcode to open that specific app. Simply tap on hide and require Face ID, and then simply tap on hide app down here, and that specific app will vanish. And if you even search for it, you won't be able to find that specific app. Here we go. You can search it here on search, you won't be able to find it. Even if you slide here to the app library, you also cannot find Airbnb anymore, okay? So in order to find that specific app, you need to scroll down here on the library all the way to hidden at the inferior right corner. Tap on hidden once, and then it's gonna ask you for your Face ID to unlock it, okay? Next up, simply position your face and the app should show up in here, and you can now access that specific app, and it's gonna ask you one more time for your Face ID. As you can see, let me open it once again. Here we go, Airbnb. I'm pretending that my Face ID is not here. As you can see, Face ID required real quick. Try Face ID again, and then that's the only way it's gonna open up the application real quick. Okay, so this is how you can hide a specific application in here. Now you can also unhide it by simply going into the hidden section here, pressing and holding the app, and tap here on don't require Face ID, put your Face ID, and that should be back here to the normal section of the app library here at the top, right? But still it's not here on the home screen, so you need to bring it back to your home screen, and in order to do that you just need to press and hold it and bring it back to the home screen in here and store it here anywhere. And here we go. The app has been unhidden successfully. So this is how you can quickly hide and unhide apps here on your iPhone. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching Fixed by Shaq and for making it till the end of the video. And if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and leave a comment down below. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.